Let's test drive the Edgility integration for Microsoft Teams. Log into Edgility and navigate to Integrations. Find Teams in the list, click Configure, then select Add to Teams. Click Get It Now in Microsoft App Source to trigger the installation in Teams. You can also install the app directly in Teams by going to Apps and searching for Edgility. Click Add, then Open to complete the installation. When the Edgility app opens, select the Chat tab at the top to continue to configure. Type the word Setup in the message box or select Setup from the View Prompts link. Click Send to submit the prompt and start the configuration. When the app responds, click Connect to link your Edgility account to Teams. This will open the integration configuration page back in the platform. Conversation threading settings will appear at the top, and your successful Teams connection will be listed below. Click the three dots next to your user connection and select Settings to set the default sender ID. This is handy if you have multiple virtual numbers or alpha sender IDs. Back in Teams, click the Edgility Inbox tab and use your platform login details to sign in. Here, you can manage conversations much like you would on a mobile device. The Inbox tab allows you to add and manage contact details, so you can personalize communication. You can also save sticky notes to a message thread, so you can share internal notes with other staff when sharing your SMS inbox. Now let's add the app to a collaborative space, like a team. Go to your channel and click the plus icon in the tab area at the top. Search for and select Edgility, then click Add. Select from either private chat, where each team member sees the SMS associated with their own Edgility profile, or virtual number inbox, where messages to and from your virtual number are visible to all Teams channel members. Use the Edgility app extension in the Conversations or Posts tab to log inbound and outbound SMS in your channel thread. To do this, click the plus icon in the message area, select the Edgility app, then click Manage Inbound. Use the drop-down to choose to receive either all inbound SMS or just those to a specific virtual number in this channel. To send SMS to a group of recipients, select the Edgility app again and select Send SMS to open the sending widget. Here, you can manually type in and paste numbers, or use the drop-down to select from saved contacts and groups. Once submitted, the message will be posted to the chat so you can keep track of your communication. Since we enabled inbound SMS in this channel, the moment we receive a reply or inbound message, it will be posted in the chat thread like this. It will also appear in your Edgility Inbox tab as an SMS conversation thread. And that concludes our tutorial of sending and receiving SMS from Teams using the Edgility integration. Feel free to contact our support team with any questions you may have.